Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Land Rover Freelander. It's not just iTunes. If you're playing something on YouTube, any audio from the video track will come through the speakers. Same with Spotify, same with Amazon Prime, and so on. So all we need to do is we go to your music, Joni Mitchell. I'm going to turn that down because I'll get a copyright strike if I don't. That don't look like it's going down, so I'll do that. Don't know what's happening. So you see at the bottom there, it says Land Rover. Just click on that. iPhone or Land Rover. If there's no tick next to Land Rover, you just need to touch it and tick it. So that's turned down. We go over to the system, and you've got home, nav, phone, and audio video. Now, if it's on home menu, you can click on audio video there, or click on that button. And you'll see there, that's actually on DVD at the moment, and it just says My Music, so you can't really see anywhere, you know, that looks like you'll be able to play your Bluetooth. What you have to do, you click My Music, click on My Music. It's actually come on to Bluetooth, but I'm just to make it 1,000,000% clear, I'll just change that to USB. So we'll go off, just wait for it to come on, and we'll go to something else. We'll go right. So we'll try again. So it's got Land Rover there. We'll go back to audio video. Nothing showing there, and it's saying please connect device. Now that's the USB symbol, which is actually in here. You plug in your iPod or something in there to the USB. So that's not what we want, but there's a plus here. We click on the plus, and there you've got a choice. Barry's iPhone, that's the one we want. Oh, sorry, I've timed out, I'll do it again. Barry's iPhone, and you'll see there, Joni Mitchell, A Chair in the Sky. Joni Mitchell's playing here. I'll turn it up very, very quickly. Turn that up, and then very, very quickly here, just so you know it's definitely playing. There you go. That's how you do it.